Okay, gamers, let's settle this. 2025 has already dropped some insane gaming laptops. From Alienware beasts to sleek gigabyte rigs, these machines are redefining what portable gaming can do. If you're wondering which laptop deserves your hard-earned cash, I've got you covered. Today we're checking out the best gaming laptops so far in 2025. And yes, all the best deals are linked in the description, so don't miss out. First up, the Alienware M18R2. And trust me, this thing is an absolute unit. Packing an Intel Core i9-14900HX and up to an NVIDIA RTX 4090 laptop GPU, this is basically a desktop in laptop clothing. You're getting a massive 18-inch QHD Plus display with refresh rate options up to 480 Hz if you go FHD Plus, or a crispy 165 Hz at higher resolution. Performance? Ridiculous. It chews through AAA, titles like Cyberpunk and Starfield, on ultra settings without breaking a sweat. The keyboard feels mechanical, cooling is solid with Alienware's Cryotech, and you've got more ports than you'll ever need. Downsides? It's heavy, it's loud, and battery life is meh. But if you want pure, uncompromised gaming muscle, the M18R2 is the beast to beat. Grab the best deals for the Alienware M18R2 in the description below. Now, if Alienware is the Hulk, the HP Omen Max 16 is the slick all-rounder. Rocking the latest RTX 5070 GPU paired with Intel's 14th gen processors, this laptop balances insane gaming performance with a form factor that's actually portable. You're getting a 16-inch QHD panel at 240 Hz, so esports players, you're covered. What makes this stand out is the price-to-performance ratio. It's not trying to be the biggest or loudest. Instead, it nails that sweet spot between premium performance and realistic usability. HP's cooling system has been re-engineered here, so thermals stay pretty reasonable, and the design is gamer-ish without being over the top. Perfect if you want a machine that crushes games but also looks professional enough to take to class or the office. Check the description for the best deal on the HP Omen Max 16. Next, let's talk Gigabyte Aorus 16X. This is Gigabyte's performance-first laptop, designed for gamers who want competitive specs, but in a slightly more refined build. Inside, you can get configurations up to RTX 4080, paired with Intel HX series CPUs, and the display is a 16-inch 2.5K panel with 240 Hz refresh rate. The real strength here is balance. The Aorus 16X nails thermal performance with Gigabyte's WenForce infinity cooling, and the screen has amazing color reproduction, meaning it doubles nicely for content creation, not just gaming. It's lighter than the Alienware, quieter than the HP and high load, and has a bit more premium feel compared to older Gigabyte builds. Best deals for the Gigabyte Aorus 16X are in the description. Okay, if the Aorus 16X impressed you, wait until you see the Aorus Master 16. This thing is Gigabyte's flagship for 2025, and honestly, it's one of the best gaming laptops released this year, period. Powered by Intel's Ultra 9 275HX and up to RTX 5080/5090 GPUs, it's ridiculous. Pair that with a 16-inch OLED display, 2560 by 1600 at 240 Hz, supporting HDR and full DCI-P3 color, and you're looking at one of the best laptop displays on the market right now. This is the kind of machine streamers and creators drool over. Amazing for gaming, editing, and multitasking all at once. Downsides? Fans get loud, and while it looks slick, parts of the build still feel plasticky. But if you want that mix of ultra-powerful GPU, OLED visuals, and cutting-edge specs, this is the one to flex on. Description has the best deals and link for the Aorus Master 16. And finally, the Dell G16-7630, the sleeper pick. Not everyone needs a flagship monster, and the G16 is proof you can get solid gaming chops without breaking the bank. Powered by Intel 13th to 14th Gen CPUs and mid-range RTX 4060 to 4070 GPUs, it delivers reliable performance for competitive gaming with a 16-inch QHD plus 240 Hz display that feels buttery smooth. The design is understated, thermals are solid, and you're not paying a premium for flashy extras. If you want a gaming laptop that just works, doesn't scream RGB spaceship, and comes at a friendlier price, the G16 is a seriously good option. Best deals for the Dell Gi16 are in the description. So that's the lineup. The best gaming laptops of 2025 so far. Want pure desktop level power? Grab the Alienware M18R2. Want something balanced but still powerful? HP Omen Max 16. Looking for cutting edge with OLED? The Aorus Master 16 is unmatched. Or if you want bang for buck reliability, Dell G16 is your guy. Which one would you choose for your setup? Drop your pick in the comments. I want to see if you're Team Alienware, Team HP, or Team Gigabyte. And don't forget, all the best deals and links are down in the description. Hit that like button if this helps you out. Subscribe for more epic gaming gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.